Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the two Phillips head screws securing the footwell sealing. Remove the filter housing door. You can pry it off with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1073 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the car. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the footwell sealing. Reinstall the screws. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.